students. So good morning. So welcome to another class of EVS lessons, and today we are going to study about our lesson 5, our festivals. And before that, in the last class we discussed about our lesson 4, that is neighborhood, our neighborhood, and in this that chapter we discussed about neighborhood and some of the neighborhood places like market, bank, police station and school, hospital, post office, etc. And what do you mean by neighborhood? The area around our house is called a neighborhood. The area around our house is our neighborhood, and there are many places in our neighborhood like market, police station, bank, school, post office, etc. And all these places are useful as in one way or another way. And we also discussed about some neighborhood helpers like doctor, sweeper, barber, then driver, milkman, etc. Then these are our neighborhood helpers. So these are the things that we discussed in our previous chapter. So today we are going to study about our fifth lesson, that is our festivals. So we are familiar with some of the festivals like Onam, Christmas, Eid and Independence Day, etc. So there are two types of festivals, national festivals and religious festivals. So the two types of festivals are religious festivals and national festivals. National festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. And also we are familiar with some family functions. And the religious festivals like Diwali, Guru Purnima, the Eid, Christmas, these are the religious festivals and is based on religious. So the first one is Diwali. So what do you mean by festivals? Festivals are special days like Christmas. The day is very special for Christians, and the Eid is the special day for Muslims. Like this, and Guru Purnima, Diwali, these are all some special days. And these special days are called festivals. So festivals means festivals are special days. Festivals are special days. So what is spelling of festivals? F E S T I V A L S. Festivals. So festivals. What is spelling of festivals? F E S T I V A L S. Festivals. And festivals are special days. Festivals are special days. And we all celebrate festivals with our family and friends. We all are celebrate the festivals like Christmas, Eid, Diwali, Guru Purnima, Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. with our family or our friends. And these are times when we have fun and we are very happy in that days, and these are special days, okay. And we wear new clothes and we play some more games with our friends and family members, etc. So we are very happy for these special days, and these special days are called festivals. So festivals means special days. The special days are called festivals. Festivals are special days. Festivals are special days. So what is spelling of festivals? F E S T I V A L S. Festivals. F E S T I V A L S. Festivals. So say the spelling of festivals. F festivals. Religious festivals. So religious. What is the spelling of the word religious? R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-R. Sorry, religious. O-U-S. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Religious festivals. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Religious festivals. And the next one is national festivals. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. National festivals. So say the spelling of the word religious festivals. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. Religious festivals. And national festivals. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. National festivals. Religious festivals and national festivals. So religious festivals and national festivals. First we are going to study about religious festivals. So what are the religious festivals? Okay. So the first one. Religious festivals. So what is the spelling of religious festivals? Say loud. Religious festivals. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Religious festivals. So first one, religious festivals. And the important religious festivals are Diwali, Guru Puram, Eid and Christmas. So Diwali, Guru Puram, Eid and Christmas. And the first one, Diwali. Diwali is a religious festival. So Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Diwali is a religious festival and Diwali is called the festival of lights. Festival of lights. So which festival is called the festival of lights? Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights. So what's the spelling of the word Diwali? D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Once night, and it's look very beautiful, and the people wear nice clothes and wear new clothes and worship the goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. So worship of the goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha, and people exchange gifts and distributing sweets. Okay, on Diwali people exchange gifts and distribute sweets. So on Diwali, okay, so Diwali is one of the important religious festival. So Diwali. So, and on Diwali the people exchange gifts and distributing sweets to convey their happiness. So we are very happy on the day Diwali, and on Diwali the people light up their houses with their candles and colorful lights at night, and the night is look very beautiful, and the lights make the night beautiful. So okay, so Diwali is called the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of light. So say the spelling of festival. It's here. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Festival of lights. L-I-G-H-T-S. Lights. Diwali is called the festival of lights. Which festival is called the festival of lights? It's Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights. Diwali is called the festival of lights. So Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. And say no to crackers on Diwali. So if we use crackers, then it makes the air polluted. So it's not good for us. It's not a good habit. So say no to crackers on Diwali, and you make or you light up your houses with different colors of light. Just make the nights beautiful. Okay, so avoid the use of crackers. Then next religious festival is Guru Purab. Because G-U-R-U-P-A-R-A-B. Guru Purab. Okay, so G-U-R-U-P-A-R-A-B. Guru Purab. So P-A-R-A-B. And Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Birthdays of the B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday of the Sikh. S-I-K-H. Sikh. S-I-K-H. Sikh Gurus. G-U-R-U-S. Sikh Gurus. So Diwali, Guru Purab is celebrated the memory of birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Okay, so Guru Purab. G-U-R-U-P-A-R-A-B. Guru Purab is the birthdays of B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. So what is spelling of Sikh Gurus? S-I-K-H. Sikh Gurus. G-U-R-U-S. Sikh Gurus. So the first one is Diwali, and it is the festival of lights. And second one is Guru Purab, and it is the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. And Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus. And people light up their houses and go to the Gurudwara to offer prayer. So these are the importance of the festival. That's Guru Purab. So G-U-R-U-P-A-R-A-B. Guru Purab. It's the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. Then the third one is Eid. Eid al-Fitr. Okay, Eid. Say celebration of the Muslims. E-I-D. Eid. And Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the month Ramzan. Ramzan is a month that's mentioned in the calendar of Muslims. And the people wear new clothes on Eid Mubarak and Eid al-Fitr and go to offer namaz. Go to offer namaz for a month of Eid. E-I-D is a celebration of the Muslims. So the first one is Diwali, and it is the festival of lights. So Diwali is called the festival of lights, and Gurupura is celebrated to mark the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. So what is the spelling of Diwali? D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali, and it is called the festival of lights. Festival of lights. And the second religious festival is Gurupura, and it is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Guru. And the third one is Eid, and people wear new clothes and go to offer namaz at the mosque in the morning, and it is Eid. And it is celebration of the Muslims, and it is also a religious festival. And the people wish Eid Mubarak to each other on the day Eid, and it is celebrated by the Muslims. And a special dish is called Sivai is prepared and served each other. And we celebrate two Eid every year. We celebrate two Eid every year, and it is a festival of Muslims. And Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the month Ramzan. At the end of the month Ramzan. So Ramzan is the holy month of fasting. Okay. So Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the month Ramzan. At the end of the month Ramzan. So what is the spelling of the word Ramzan? R-A-M-Z-A-N. Ramzan. At the end of the month Ramzan. Okay. At-dam. A-T at dam. T-H-T at dam. End. E-N-D at the end of the month. O-F of the. T-H-T of the month. M-O-N-T-H at the month of. At the end of the month Ramzan. And what is spelling of the word Ramzan? R-A-M-Z-A-N. Very good. R-A-M-Z-A-N. Ramzan. Okay. Ramzan is the holy month of fasting. Ramzan is a month, and this is the calendar of Muslims. Okay. So these are the three important religious festivals: Diwali, Gurupura, and Eid. So this festival is called the festival of lights. Salam. Yes, very good. It's Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of light. Diwali is called the festival of light. And what is the importance of Gurupura? It's a religious festival, and it is celebrated to mark the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. So what is the spelling of Sikh Gurus? S-I-K-S. Sikh Gurus. G-U-R-U-S. Sikh Gurus. And next one is Eid. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims, and it is celebrated at the end of the month. Which month? Ramzan. At the end of the month Ramzan. And say the spelling of the word Ramzan. R-A-M-Z-A-N. Ramzan. So Diwali, Gurupura, and Eid. Diwali, Gurupura, and Eid. And the fourth one is Christmas. Okay. Christmas. So write the spelling of the words Diwali, Gurupura, and Eid in your class book and 5 or 10 times and send to my WhatsApp. So the fourth one is Christmas. So what is the spelling of the word Christmas? C-H-R-I-S So we celebrate Christmas on 25th December in every year. So what is spelling of the on December? D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. And we celebrate Christmas to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. So Christmas is the 25th December is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Birthday of Jesus Christ. Birthday. So what is the spelling of birthday? B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday of O-M. Birthday of Jesus Christ. G-J-E-S-U-S. Jesus Christ. C-H-R-I-S-T. C-H-R-I-S-T. Jesus Christ. So we celebrate Christmas every year on 25th December, and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. So Christmas is celebrated to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ, and we celebrate Guru Puram to mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus. Okay, and Diwali is the festivals of light, festival of lights, and Eid is celebrated at the end of Ramzan month. Ramzan is a holy month of fasting, and we celebrate Christmas every year on the 25th December, and it is celebrated to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. So Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Sorry. So Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. And people decorate Christmas trees and exchange gifts on these days, and we also we celebrate Christmas in our school also. Okay. And we celebrate Christmas by cutting Christmas cakes and decorating Christmas trees and making some other materials, etc. Okay. And prayers are held at churches, and carols are also sung. We all are saying carols on Christmas. And Christmas, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December, and it's the birthday of Jesus Christ. And we also eat plum cakes, very sweet. Okay. And we eat plum cakes and candies, and the children love to get gifts from the Santa Claus. Okay. So the Santa Claus came to our house and they give gifts for us. Okay. So take gifts for us. So you all are children, and you also like to get gifts from the Santa Claus. And here we eat plum cakes and candies, and we get plum cakes and candies, and also we get some gifts from others. Okay. So it's also an important religious festival. Christmas. So say the spelling of the word Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. And we celebrate Christmas on 25th December, and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas. We celebrate Christmas to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. So what is the spelling of Jesus Christ? J-E-S-U-S-C-H-R-I-S-T. Jesus Christ. So these are the 4 important religious festivals. So festivals are special days, and we all are like the festivals because we get more and more gifts from others and gifts from our parents and our relatives. So we allow to celebrate festivals. And here there are 2 types of festivals, mainly 2 types of festivals: religious festivals and national festivals. Religious festivals and national festivals. And the important religious festivals are, we studied 4 important religious festivals, and they are Diwali, Guru Puram, Christmas, and Eid. And Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the month Ramzan. And we wear new clothes and exchange gifts, and we are going to mosque, and people go to the mosque to make or to offer namaz. And Diwali. First one is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. And Guru Puram Guru Purnam is celebrated to mark the birthday of Sikh Gurus. Guru Purnam is celebrated to mark the birthday of Sikh Guru, and we celebrate Christmas in every year on 25th December. 25th December, and we celebrate Christmas to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. And we celebrate 2 Eids in a year. We celebrate 2 Eids in every year. So these are the important religious festivals. And people go to pray at different places for worship. Okay, and the Muslims go to a mosque. Mosque is the worship place of Muslims. Muslims go to mosque, and Christians goes to church, Hindus goes to temple, Sikhs goes to the Gurudwara. Okay, we already learned about Guru Purnam, and Guru Purnam is a celebration, and it is celebrated to mark the birthday of Sikh Gurus. And on Guru Purnam, the people go to the Gurudwara to offer praise. Gurudwara is the worship place of Sikhs. So Muslim worship place of Muslims are mosque, Christians goes to church, and Hindus goes to a temple, and Sikhs goes to Gurudwara. So worship places. So first one, Muslims, the worship place of Muslims. Which is the worship place of Muslims? Mosque. Muslims go to a mosque for prayer. So Muslims, mosque, the worship place of Muslims. M-U-S-L-I-M-S, Muslims. Muslims worship place is mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. So mosque is the worship place of Muslims. And Christians, the worship place is church. Christians, C-H-R-I-S-T-I-A-N-S, Christians, and the worship place is church. C-H-U-R-C-H, church. And Hindus, the worship place of Hindus are temples. Hindus, H-I-N-D-U-S, Hindus, and the worship place is temples. T-E-M-P-L-E-S, temples. And the worship place of Sikhs, S-I-K-H-S, Sikhs, and the worship place is Gurudwara. Gurudwara, G-U-R-U, Gurudwara, D-W-A-R-A, Gurudwara. So mosque is the worship place of Muslims, church is the worship place of Christians, and temples are the worship place of Hindus, and Gurudwara is the worship place of Sikhs. So what is the spelling of mosque? M-O-S-Q-U-E, mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E, mosque. And church is the worship place of Christians. C-H-U-R-C-H, church. So what is the spelling of church? C-H-U-R-C-H, church. And the worship place of Hindus are temples. T-E-M-P-L-E-S, temples. And Gurudwara is the worship place of Sikhs. G-U-R-U-D-W-A-R-A, Gurudwara. So today we discussed about some religious festivals: Diwali, Guru Purnam, Eid, and Christmas. And Diwali is called the festival of lights, and Guru Purnam is celebrated to mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus, and Eid is celebrated by Muslims, and we celebrate 2 Eids every year. And next one is Christmas, and Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December, and we celebrate Christmas Jesus Christ. So these are the religious festivals, and also we discussed about some worship places. There is mosque, church, temple and Gurudwara. And the next topic is national festivals that we will discuss in our next class. Okay. So today let's wind up our class. Study well and read your text carefully. So have a nice day. Thank you.